Today, Fun with Flowers and Jay is brought to you by Esprit Miami. Their flowers mean business.
Welcome to the world of flowers. I'm Jay Schwanke. I've spent my entire life surrounded by flowers. As a fourth-generation florist, flowers have been a part of my daily life for as long as I can remember. Now I'm on a mission to share my knowledge and love of flowers with everyone I meet. Growing, picking, arranging, designing, and sharing. It's all fascinating to me because I love flowers. Anything flowers and everything flowers. Welcome to Fun with Flowers and Jay. Today on Fun with Flowers and Jay, we're creating a heart-shaped centerpiece out of daisy pom-poms. One of my favorite flowers are chrysanthemums, and I love these wonderful Esprit pom-poms. They're a daisy pom-pom, and they have a great little edge on it, so they'll be perfect for filling in a little heart shape of foam. The first thing we'll do is bevel the foam. The reason we bevel the foam is to give ourselves a nice rounded edge. It's hard to make a rounded form when you're working with an edge that's a corner. So by rounding it, it's going to allow us to make it more heart-shaped. We'll start by placing one flower right in the middle of the heart. Then we'll work along that edge. And you'll notice we're not sticking the flowers in completely. So we're increasing the size of the heart to give it a real true heart shape. So you can see how far out we are from the edge of that heart. Because the heart form is so small, if we filled it in completely, it would just look like a blob. So we have to use some artistic license to create something that looks like a heart. Now that I've created the exaggerated form of the heart, I can go back in and fill it in. So now I'll place that heart inside a tray like this, and we'll fill it with deco beads. Chose the raspberry pink color because it goes great with these pom-poms. Forms a great backdrop for the heart, and then I'll add the new extra large deco beads. We'll use a couple different colors because they look great as a contrast in this bowl. And then we'll illuminate it using the submersible acolytes. Just going to tuck those in close to our heart. And they're the submersible ones, so they can go under the deco beads. It helps illuminate the heart shape inside there and makes a great centerpiece. Until next week, keep having fun with flowers.